In the fast-paced world we live in, finding peace and tranquility sometimes feels like an impossible task. But if I told you there is a way to achieve inner calm and balance amidst the chaos, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Roman Winsberg, and today I'm going to introduce the guide how to start to meditate. Meditation is not just a practice. It's a journey of self-discovery and mindfulness. It's about carving out time for yourself, connecting with the inner being, and embracing the present moment. I have to be honest, at the beginning I thought that meditation is some kind of nonsense, just another trendy stuff that hipsters try to do, the practice that's tricking your brain, and in general a useless practice. But the more information I get, the more I knew about the meditation. It sparked my curiosity, and only then I decided to try. At the beginning, I tried to meditate and I thought sitting calmly is gonna be enough. Then I tried to add some breathing techniques, but I still couldn't get the benefit of the meditation. Then I started to go online and see how to meditate properly, how to learn to meditate. Because to be honest, at first I felt stupid just sitting and meditating and thinking about nothing. But when I started to search information online, how to meditate, what is meditation technique, I felt confused because there was a lot of meditation and everyone was talking differently. Everyone were giving different advices, and I couldn't find the concentrated information about how to start to meditate. So that's the reason I created this guide, how to start to meditate. So let's dive in. Meditation doesn't discriminate. It is accessible to everyone, no matter your age, your occupation, or your lifestyle. All you need the willingness to explore the depths of your mind and a few simple techniques to get started. Step 1. To begin your meditation practice, find a quiet place where you can create the sanctuary for your mind. Make it your own personal heaven where you can escape the noise and distractions of an outside world. Step number 2. Find a comfortable position. It can be sitting cross-legged on the floor, it can be just sitting in a chair or lying on the floor. The key here is find a posture that allows you to relax but to maintain your alertness. Step number 3. Now close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs with the fresh air, and exhale all the tension and worries. With each breath, let go of the stress that weighs you down. As you continue to breathe, let your thoughts come and go, observing them without the judgment. Don't try to control or suppress them. Simply acknowledge their presence and gently redirect your focus on your breath. And the best tip and advice I received on this point was to imagine that you are driving a car and trying to keep between two lanes. At the beginning, you quite often get off your lane, but once you do that, try to get back to your lanes. It's a skill. The more often you're gonna do and redirect yourself to the correct lane, the easier and effortless it's gonna be to drive between those two lanes. Step number 4. Remember, meditation is not about emptying your mind, but rather finding peace within the chaos. It's about the embracing the present moment, accepting yourself as you are, and cultivating the sense of gratitude and self-awareness. So to conclude, in order to start meditate, you need just 3 steps. First step is to find a calm space from the noises from the outer world. Second step is to find a comfortable position. Position should be comfortable enough to relax, but also to stay alert at the same time. For example, if you lay in a bed comfortably, you might feel relaxed, but you also might fall asleep. And step number 3, which is the hardest, is focus on your breath, be in the present, and try to calm down your mind. Don't judge yourself, don't judge your thoughts, just let them go. For me, this step was the hardest one, and the best what I can advise you is to focus on the senses. For example, when you sit with your eyes closed, try to focus on your breath. Try to focus on the breath, how it goes through your body, through your lungs, through your nose, how it feels. Also, focus on other senses. For example, the sense of touch. What do you feel? What is the temperature? Do you feel the wind? Do you feel your skin shivers? How you feel sitting? How you feel all the different muscles? Are they relaxed? How you feel your back? How you feel your legs? How you feel your head? Second thing, you can focus on the smells. What kind of smells you feel? Is just a smell of fresh air? Maybe it's soggy air in your room, or maybe there is a smell also of the food, or maybe flowers. And the third sense can be the hearing. What kind of noises do you hear? Do you hear the breathing? Do you hear the wind? Do you hear the cars? Do you hear the clock ticking? Do you hear the trees and leaves? For me, this advice helped me tremendously. My mind wasn't racing, and I could focus on the senses and be in the present. And the more I practiced, the easier it got. So try it and tell me how it works. But why is meditation important? Well, in today's hectic world, our minds are constantly bombarded with information, responsibilities, and stress. Meditation simply provides you a much needed refuge from this mental overload. When we meditate, we give ourselves permission to slow down and reconnect with our inner selves. It allows us to step away from the constant stream of thoughts and worries and instead be fully present in here and now. Not only does meditation help us manage stress and anxiety, but it also has the profound impact on our overall well-being. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice can reduce the blood pressure, enhance focus and concentration, boost creativity, and improve sleep quality. Furthermore, meditation allows us to cultivate a deep sense of our self-awareness. By observing our thoughts and emotions without the judging, we gain insights on our patterns, habits, and reactions. This self-awareness empowers us to make the conscious choices and create the positive change in our life. Through meditation, we tap into our inner wisdom and intuition, unlocking our true potential. It becomes a transformative journey where we discover our strengths, embrace our vulnerabilities, and find a sense of peace and purpose. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and dive into the world of meditation. Discover the magic within you and unlock the path to inner peace. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Thank you for watching. It was my short guide to start meditate, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.